This vehicle is absolutely gorgeous. This Chrysler Town & Country gets 17 miles per gallon in the city and gets 24 miles per gallon on the highway. It comes equipped with options like 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.8 LOH VSMPI V6 engine, a Sirius satellite radio, a PWR convenience group and a 25BLX customer preferred order selection package. Come in for a test drive today.